move A comma 40H. Move A comma 40H. Comment data in 40H address will be moved to accumulator. Okay, whatever the data stored in the 40H, this 40H is a address. Okay, this 40H is a address. In this 40H, okay, this is your memory location. This is your memory location. It will be 002 so on. FF. I will take a memory will be like this. In that will take a 40H is your address location. 40H is your address location. In this, for example, I have stored 03. Accumulator will take this address. Sorry, this data. Whatever the address we are going to give, data in the 40H. Whatever the data we stored in the 40H, 03 we stored in the address 40H. This data will be moving to your accumulator. That is the meaning. This type of instruction we can call it as we are going to use in the direct addressing mode. Okay, some of the usual sample instructions what we are going to use here. Sample instructions what we are going to use in this. Make a note of this. Move A comma address. Move A comma address. Okay, like same. Move A comma 40H is a address. Next, move address comma A. Move address comma A means whatever the data in the accumulator we are going to move in the address. For example, move address, move 40H comma A. Whatever the data in the accumulator, that we are going to move the data into 40H. At this location 40H we have a 03. For example, in the next instruction, in the next cycle, okay, in the 40H we don't have any data. Now I am going to take move 40H comma A. Initially in the accumulator I have a data 04. I am going to store this 04 to 40H. Here the data will be 04. I am going to store the data. That is the meaning of move address comma A. Next, move RR comma address. Next, move R suffix R comma address. Okay, for example, R represents 0 to 7. Okay, move R0 comma address. Whatever the data in the R0, that we are going to move it to some of the address. This is one type of instruction. Next, move address comma R suffix R. Whatever the address we are going to give. For example, this is 50H is the address location. In that 50H we have a data 02. We are going to move whatever the in R0 will be will take some example. Move address. I'm going to take 50H comma R0. This RR becomes R0. In R0 initially we have a 02. This data I'm going to store in the 50H of the memory location. That is the meaning. Like that, some other instructions we have move address comma #n, then move add 1 comma add 2. Like this we are going to use the instructions in the direct addressing mode. Okay, with respect to that we are going to use this type of instructions. Next we have some illegal means invalid instructions. In this case we'll have move 50H comma 50H. We are not using like this instructions in this direct addressing mode. Okay, next we'll discuss one example with respect to the direct addressing mode. Take this example. take an example. Write a program or write a code to send 55H to port 1, that is port P1 and P2 using their names. First one using their names. Second one using their address. I will write the solution for first one and second one. First one, move A, hash 55H. Now move P1, A, move P2, A. Next, with respect to their address, move A, hash 55H, move 90H, A, P2, 0A0, I think 0A0H, A. Can you trace the program, both A and B? See here, move A, 55H. See, what is the code they are asking to write? Write a code to send 55H to port 1 and port 2. Means we are going to store some data in 55H. That is, for example, 4. 4 is the data. It is stored in the address 55H. That is the address location 55H. Now move A, hash 55H. We are not moving number 55 to accumulator. Okay, whatever the data in the address of 51. Okay, see here, this is before execution. This is after execution for the first program. Before execution, here I have a memory location. 002 FF. For example, here else we have a 55H is my address. What is the data I am considering? Data 4 is represented in 55H. Now move A, 55H. Whatever the content in the 55H, that will be in A is equal to 04. At this address, we have a data of 04 that will be moving to accumulator. That is the meaning of addressing, direct addressing mode. Okay, now move P1 comma A. Whatever the content in the port 1 accumulator, that will be moving to port 1. Port 1 is equal to 0, 4. Move P2 comma A. Whatever the content in accumulator, again the same content will be moving to port 2. Okay, after execution, this is after execution, we have port 1 is equal to 4 and port 2 is equal to 4. Okay, both the ports will be filled with the data 0, 4. That is the meaning of this. Here they are going to use names. This P1 and P2 we are going to call it as a names. By make use of names we are going to store the data. Next, again if you are coming to second one, that is with respect to the address. Now initially before execution, same we have a one memory location, address lines, we have some 002 FFF, somewhere else 55, there we have a data 03. Okay, before execution accumulator is equal to 03, move A comma 55. At 55 we have a data 03 that will be moving to your accumulator. Then after execution of these two instructions, after execution we are going to this in 90H, port 1 represents address of 90H. Okay, have you remembered? When we are going to discuss about memory location address, what I am going to tell, port 1 is represented with respect to 090H. Okay, whatever the data in accumulator, that will be stored in 090H address location. Then 0A0H, that will be filled with 03. Why? Because accumulator is having a number 3, 03 address. What we are going to give data, that will be stored in the accumulator. That both the data will be moving to port 1 address as well as a port 2 address. This we are going to use with respect to address, and this with respect to names we are going to use. That is the difference between two programs. Got everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts with respect to this example?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
In A1, the move A hashtag 55H, the contents of A will be then moved to P1, no, sir.
Contents of
A accumulator will be moved to P1, port 1.
yeah.
Then in the third step, we can write move P2, P1, no, sir. The same contents will be moved from P1 to P2 instead of writing accumulated to P2.
See, we are not transferring the data from port to port. We are going to transferring the data from register to port. We cannot transfer port 1 to port 2 data. We are going to transfer a data from register to port. That is why I have taken for port 2. I am going to store the data. I am going to move whatever the data in the accumulator, that I am going to move with respect to port 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, other than this, any doubts? Okay, make a note of this. Wait, I will show the PDF. Is it PDF is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Make a note of this. I will take attendance.